Welcome to our channel. Today, we have an exciting product to review that could revolutionize your kitchen experience, the Dash Safe Slice Mandoline Slicer. We found this product online and have provided a link in the description below, so you can check the latest price and availability. The Dash Safe Slice is an innovative mandoline slicer designed to make slicing vegetables, fruits, and more both safe and efficient. This slicer boasts an impressive range of over 30 slicing combinations, allowing you to create perfectly even cuts from 1 to 8 mm in thickness. Whether you're looking to slice potatoes for a delicious gratin, julienne carrots for a fresh salad, or dice onions for your favorite recipe, this versatile tool has you covered. One of the standout features of the Dash Safe Slice is its unique safety design. Unlike traditional mandoline slicers, which can be dangerous for the user, this model incorporates safety measures that keep your hands away from the built-in stainless steel blades. This means you can slice with confidence, knowing that your fingers are protected while you achieve expert-level cuts. In terms of versatility, the Dash Safe Slice truly shines. With over 30 adjustable slicing options, you can effortlessly switch between thicknesses and cutting styles. Need thin, uniform slices for a stir-fry? No problem. Want to create matchstick cuts for a crunchy slaw? Easy. The ability to customize your cuts makes it an ideal tool for both everyday cooking and special occasions. Cleaning up after slicing can often be a hassle, but the Dash Safe Slice simplifies this process. Its compact design allows it to fold flat, making storage a breeze. Plus, it comes with a handy cleaning brush that helps eliminate any food buildup on the blades. The included food catch container also keeps your countertops clean, ensuring that your kitchen remains tidy and organized. So, who is the Dash Safe Slice suitable for? This mandoline slicer is perfect for anyone from novice cooks to seasoned chefs. If you love to prepare fresh meals at home but dread the time-consuming task of chopping and slicing, this tool is for you. It's also an excellent choice for busy families looking to streamline meal prep or for anyone who enjoys hosting gatherings and needs to prepare large quantities of food quickly and efficiently. Let's talk about some practical use cases for the Dash Safe Slice. If you're a parent trying to encourage healthy eating, you can use it to create fun, colorful vegetable sticks that kids will love. For those who enjoy meal prepping, it allows you to slice multiple vegetables at once, saving you precious time during the week. And if you're hosting a dinner party, impress your guests with beautifully sliced vegetables and fruits that enhance presentation and flavor in your dishes. In summary, the Dash Safe Slice Mandoline Slicer is not just a kitchen gadget, it's a game changer. With its safety features, versatility, easy cleaning, and compact design, it's a perfect addition to any kitchen, making it an ideal gift for weddings, housewarmings, or anyone looking to upgrade their culinary skills. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.